The power grid. It's something we often take for granted. But what would happen if it suddenly went dark? Let's dive into the realities of the grid, the ways we're working to protect it, and how you can prepare for life without electricity. What is the power grid and why is it vulnerable? The power grid is essentially a vast network of power plants, substations, and transmission lines that bring electricity from generation points to your home or business. It's complex and impressively efficient, but it's also surprisingly vulnerable. Extreme weather events, cyber attacks, and even equipment failures could knock out large parts of the grid. Then there are the big ones, solar storms and EMPs, electromagnetic pulses, that could cause widespread, long-lasting outages. What are we doing to protect the grid? Governments, utilities, and tech companies are all working to strengthen the grid's defenses. Cybersecurity enhancements. With the risk of cyber attacks increasing, utilities are investing in sophisticated cybersecurity measures to protect critical infrastructure. Physical security measures. Some substations are outfitted with increased physical security, from fences to surveillance systems to deter potential attacks. Modernizing infrastructure. Aging power lines and substations are being upgraded, and smart grid technologies are being added to make the grid more resilient and flexible in managing power flow, particularly during disruptions. Renewable and decentralized energy. Expanding solar, wind, and local energy storage can reduce dependency on centralized power sources, creating a more resilient system. Microgrids, for example, can operate independently and supply power during outages. What can we do to protect ourselves? If the grid were to go down for an extended period, having a plan can make all the difference. Here's what you can do. Invest in backup power. Portable generators, solar panels, and battery storage systems can provide backup electricity. If you live in a storm-prone area or somewhere with frequent blackouts, this could be invaluable. Stock up on essentials. Water, canned food, flashlights, and batteries should be at the top of your list. Without power, refrigerators and freezers won't work, so non-perishable items are essential. Get familiar with low-tech solutions. Basic camping gear like portable stoves and water purifiers can be lifesavers. Old-school methods like using a hand-cranked radio or lantern can keep you informed and illuminated. Learn first aid and basic skills. Without easy access to medical help, first aid knowledge becomes critical. Also, understanding basic home repair skills can be invaluable if services are disrupted for extended periods. Stay connected locally. Set up a community plan for sharing resources and information, and establish meeting points with family members in case communication networks go down. In summary, the power grid is a marvel of modern infrastructure, but far from invincible. By bolstering its defenses and preparing personally, we can stay ahead of potential disruptions and protect ourselves if the lights do go out. Remember, while technology is powerful, being prepared is even more powerful. Stay safe, stay secured, and think ahead. Get equipped, and let the lights stay on in more ways than one. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.